Okay, we're recording.
You can take it to Fish Lake.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we're recording right now.
All right.
We're just leaving Las Vegas Harbor.
We're gonna head towards the dam. It's about a good 10-minute ride.
This is Frankie, he's our captain.
What a weak horn, huh?
Well, that gets your attention, right?
Oh yeah. Super tall. Oh, taking off my shoes. Oh, see? Look at this carpet. I love it.
Traction.
Oh, man. Remember the last one, how it was really getting bad? Remember it was tearing? And
Yeah. Okay, we'll take a little break.
use, fishing for striped bass is the anchovy, frozen anchovy. You cut off the head. It's like so. Throw that in there. Feed the fish. Grab your hook.
Also, Tiger Woods' victory at the Auto Power Invitational on Sunday has produced the highest overnight TV rating since the U.S. Open. And unbeaten Floyd Mayweather Jr. is close to announcing that he's coming out of retirement and will be fighting in July.
Look for a high today near 72, mostly sunny.
Now we'll cast it out.
Near 54. Currently it's sunny and 55.
All right.
We gotta go.
Yes, we do. Corey is up next. Kim on vacation all week long. Before we do, though, caller 25 right now. 64 POINT. It's a free call on your Sprint PCS.
Man, this is going to be some good footage.
You're going to qualify to go to the Moody Blues. You're going to
Get it really deep.
to the grand prize package, which is a jacuzzi
Go
suite.
way down.
Frankie, what are you fishing for?
Striped bass.
Striped bass.
Yeah, we call them stripers.
You can go online and
We're going to go deep because that's where they're at. We put the anchovies. We're going to go way down there. Get the hit.
How deep do you set that, do you think?
I'm going to go about 75 feet.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. And how deep do you think it is out here? About 500 so feet,
I'm
maybe?
going to say about 300.
Yeah.
Alrighty, we're going to sit for a while.
Okay, we're going to take a break.
This is right here is a bait caster, and I just bought it, but I'm not really good at it. But I'm going to practice out here, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a top water lure and skip it on top of the water, and let's see if we can get a strike that way.
Okay.
So I got my pole in the bottom, and I'm going to use this lure on the top. So I'm going to rig it up. It's going to take me a while.
Okay.